Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to identify the top stock groups with the highest sales using the dashboard in TallyPrime. Consider that you are the owner of an electronics store and sell gadgets and appliances of various brands for which you have created stock groups in TallyPrime. Now, you want to know the top 5 brands with the highest sales. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt+G. Type or select dashboard and press enter. Press Alt+A. Type top stock groups. Select the stock group as primary. The top stock group style gets added. Press Alt+C to configure the tile. Under Method of Info, select Stock Group Wise. Under Type of Value, select Outwards. And under Type of Info, select Quantity. You can set the number of stock groups/items to display. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. You can now view the stock group wise tile and identify the top 5 stock groups with the highest sales. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.